Do you need to roll your dice?
What is it?
I don't know. What does it say?
This is Monji.
Blake?
Monji.
Jumanji?
Yeah, Monji. Yes. What is this?
Should I roll the dice now?
Sure. It's it,
I
Mom.
don't know. What does it say? You tell me.
Mommy say go and jungle.
Mommy has to go in the jungle?
Uh-huh.
No! Will Blake save me?
Yeah, I need rope.
You need a rope?
I'll be right back. Bye.
You're gonna be right back? You're gonna go get some rope?
Mommy, go and jungle there.
Oh,
I'll be
no.
right back.
Okay.
Save me! Help! Help! Help!
Rope?
Oh, you're saving me. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you, Blake, for saving me. Oh. You gonna roll the dice now?
Yes. See what happened? Him. See what happened? Daddy.
Okay, it's Daddy's turn to roll.
Monkey.
Jumanji.
Daddy said, what is this?
I don't know, you tell me.
Daddy said, go and jungle.
Go in the jungle.
Daddy, go in the jungle.
Okay. My jungle is work.
Uh-oh, Daddy's gotta go to work.
How about mommy going jungle?
Mommy doesn't want to go in the jungle, Blake. It's scary.
How about
How about Blake goes in the jungle?
Robo Dice?
Okay, I'll roll the dice. Shh.
What is this?
I don't know, what does it say?
They say go in jungle.
How about it says, Stampede!
Stampede! Stampede coming back. Stampede.
You better run.
Run!
Run, Blake, run!
The animal coming!
Run! Ah!
Run with me!
I'm running with you. I'm running.